The brave answer. Zoya loved colors. She loved how the sun turned the grass gold and how the autumn leaves danced in the wind. But in class, Zoya was as quiet as a dandelion puff. She had so many wonderful thoughts, but they stayed tucked inside her like secret treasures in a wooden locket. Every morning, her teacher, Miss Layla, greeted the class with a sparkle in her eyes. Zoya would sit at her bright yellow desk, her notebooks filled with careful drawings of deep-sea creatures and coral reefs. She knew a lot about the world, but she usually just listened while others spoke. One sunny Friday, Miss Layla stood at the front of the room. She pointed to a giant picture of a deep blue ocean pinned to the board. "Who can tell me the name of the biggest animal that has ever lived on Earth?" she asked the class. Zoya's heart began to drum a little beat. Thump, 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 thump. She knew the answer. "It's the blue whale," she whispered to herself. But when she thought about saying it out loud, her tummy felt like it was full of fluttery, nervous kites. Her friend Ravi scratched his head. He looked at the ceiling and then at his shoes, trying hard to think. "Is it a giant shark?" Ravi guessed loudly. Miss Layla shook her head gently. "Not quite, Ravi, but that is a very good guess for a very big fish." Zoya looked at the colorful posters on the classroom wall. She thought about a tiny seed in a garden. It had to be brave to push through the heavy, dark soil to find the bright sun. "I can be like the seed," Zoya thought. "I can push past my quietness." Taking a very deep breath, Zoya slowly lifted her hand. At first, it was just hovering by her ear. Then, she stretched her fingers toward the ceiling like she was reaching for a distant star. She felt a tiny, warm spark of courage glowing in her chest. Miss Layla's eyes lit up with joy when she saw Zoya's hand in the air. She gave a warm, encouraging nod that made Zoya feel safe. "Zoya, would you like to share your answer with the rest of us?" Miss Layla asked softly. Zoya stood up beside her desk. Her voice started small but grew steady and clear. "It is the blue whale. They can be as long as 3 school buses." As the words left her mouth, the fluttery kites in her tummy turned into bright, happy butterflies. "That is exactly right, Zoya." Ms. Layla clapped her hands. Ravi gave her a big thumbs up from the next desk. Zoya sat down feeling a whole inch taller. She realized that her voice was a gift, and that being brave helped her world grow a little bit bigger and brighter.